What is up, my 3D printing friends? Have you ever bought a file and pieces are stuck together when you move them like this? You got your legs stuck together and you got your boots stuck together. Or you went over to the Hey Gear slicer to take off the pre-supports like we did here, and you can find that video in the upper right hand corner, and when you bring it into Chitubox, it's still stuck together. Same with the boots. I am going to show you how to take all of these apart. What you're going to need is a program or a slicer that you're able to cut things with. I have Chitubox Pro, and fortunately there's a cut button here. And when you click on the cut button, this box should pop up, and also this little thing in the middle here to show you where you're going to cut. You're not going to be able to move your pieces if you're in this box. So move your pieces out of the way that you're not going to cut. And then I like to orient this guy facing like this, because that's usually how my cutter comes up. Then we'll cut in the cut button, and we are on the Y axis, so you're gonna have to figure out which way you want to go, up or down. That's the wrong way, going up. So you could either click like that, or I'm gonna go to about -1 and see where that puts me. That puts me pretty close, so I'm going to get it all the way in between where I'm not cutting off any supports. I'll rotate this up this way. I'm not cutting off any supports. It doesn't look like. It looks like I might be cutting off that front one a bit. Let's move it back this way. And then all we're going to do is we're going to hit apply. We're going to wait for it to go through its thing. Once it's done, there's a partial model overlap. You got to X out of it if you want to move the pieces. Once you cut them, you'll be able to move them separately, and you can put them anywhere on your build plate that you want to. So now if you go into Hey Gears and you put it in like this, you're going to end up with the same problem. You're not going to have your supports, but they're going to be stuck together. Just rotate it the way you want it, nice and straight. Hit that cut button, and then we're going to adjust again. And we're going to go -2.30, see where that puts me at. Nope, not good enough. Let's go to a -4, -7. And that is, I think that's hitting the leg. No, it's not hitting the leg. That right there, you can see it's not hitting the key over here. It's not hitting the leg. Hit apply. Hit X out of that box. And then you're going to be able to move your pieces separately again. Now this is the kind that really annoy me, just because so much space is taken up in between that's eating up build plate space. Hit our cut button. That one's already in the middle of those two, so we can hit apply. X out again. And now our little shoes are separate, and we could put them anywhere on the build plate that we want. And now we could get them really close together like this, and we save that space on the build plate. And again, the legs that you cut, you can move those all over the place, and that's all that's to it. So just make sure you have a program where you're able to cut things in half, and those pre-supported or non-pre-supported STLs that you buy that have two pieces together and you don't know how to get them apart, now you do. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. I'll see you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye, everybody.